Electric heating. Electric heating is a process of converting electrical energy into heat. Electric heating can be used for various purposes, such as space heating, water heating, cooking, and industrial processes. Electric heating has some advantages and disadvantages compared to other forms of heating, such as fossil fuels, biomass, or solar energy. Some of the advantages of electric heating are: it is clean and does not produce any emissions or pollutants that can harm the environment or human health. It is efficient and does not waste any energy in the form of flue gases or heat losses. It is convenient and easy to control, as it can be switched on and off quickly and adjusted to the desired temperature or power level. It is safe and does not pose any fire hazards or risks of carbon monoxide poisoning. Some of the disadvantages of electric heating are: it is expensive and depends on the electricity prices, which can vary depending on the time of day, season, or location. It is not renewable and relies on the availability and sustainability of the electricity sources, which may include fossil fuels, nuclear power, or renewable energy. It is not suitable for some applications that require high temperatures or large amounts of heat, such as industrial furnaces or boilers. Electric heating can be classified into different types based on the method of heat transfer, such as resistance heating, which uses an electric current to heat a resistive element, such as a wire, coil, or rod. Induction heating, which uses an alternating magnetic field to induce an electric current in a conductive material, such as a metal or a ceramic. Dielectric heating, which uses an electric field to heat a dielectric material, such as water or plastic. Infrared heating, which uses an electric current to generate infrared radiation that heats the objects or surfaces that absorb it. Microwave heating, which uses an electromagnetic wave to heat a polar molecule, such as water or fat. Electric heating is a versatile and widely used technology that can meet various needs and demands. However, it also has some limitations and challenges that need to be addressed. Therefore, it is important to consider the benefits and drawbacks of electric heating before choosing it as a suitable option for your home or business.